Software Spring. Presents. How to use cumulative principle in Google Sheets. Hello folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial on cumulative principle function. Let's begin with an intro to the function. Cumulative principle function returns the cumulative principal amount paid for a loan for a specific interest rate, period, and payment frequency. Alright, here's the syntax of the function formula. Rate is the annual interest rate. Number of periods is the number of payment periods. Present value is the present value of a loan. First period is a number representing a starting month or year of the period range. Last period is a number representing an ending month or year of the period range. End or beginning specifies when payment is made. It can have a value of 0 or 1. 0 is for payment made at the beginning of a period. 1 is for payment made at the end of a period. Key point. Rate, number of periods, first period, and last period should all be in months or years. Moving forward, let's calculate the cumulative principal for this loan data for each of the year of the loan period. Okay, I will input the start month and end month for year 1. For start month, for year 2, the formula is the value in this cell, plus 1. For end month, for year 2, the formula is the value in this cell, multiplied by 12. Copy the formula for start month and end month of year 3. Alright, we are all set to type the cumulative principal function formula. First, type the equal to symbol, C, U, M, P, and select the function. For interest rate, click this cell, type the /, and type 12, to get the monthly interest rate, and type comma. For number of periods, click this cell, type the multiplication operator, and type 12, to get the number of periods, in months, and type comma. For present value, click this cell, and type comma. For first period, click this cell, and type comma. For last period, click this cell, and type comma. For end or beginning, type 0, assuming payment is made at the beginning of the month. Type the closing parenthesis. The final formula is. Press enter. Alright, the function has returned the cumulative principal amount for the specified period. Before I copy the formula to get the cumulative principal from the 13th month to the 24th month, let me make the addresses of these cells in the formula absolute. Click before the addresses, press F4, and press enter. The final formula is. Press enter. OK, copy the formula to these cells. There you go. The function has returned the cumulative principal for the specified periods. Select this range to get the sum of the numbers in the cells in the range. OK, the cumulative principal equals the loan amount. Quick review. Cumulative principal function returns the cumulative principal paid for a loan. The cumulative principal function formula is. These arguments should all be in months or years. That's it, folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.